Understanding Special Offers, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, specifically, special offers. This phrase is commonly used in shopping and marketing, and understanding it can really help you navigate through English-speaking environments. So, let's get started. Special offers refers to promotions or deals that are usually time-limited and provide extra value to the customer. These could be discounts, buy one get one free deals, or extra products or services at no additional cost. The term is widely used in retail and online shopping. To give you a better idea, let's look at some examples. Discounts. 50% off on all summer clothing. Buy one get one free. BOGO. Buy one pizza, get another free. Free gifts. Purchase over $50 and receive a free tote bag. It's important to know how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. I got this dress from a special offer at the mall. Are there any special offers on electronics this season? Keep an eye out for special offers during holiday sales. When shopping, look for signs or advertisements that mention special offers. They are often highlighted in stores and on websites. Be aware of the terms and conditions, as these offers are often time-sensitive or have specific requirements. That's all about special offers. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, being aware of such phrases not only enhances your language skills but also helps you make the most of your shopping experiences. See you in our next lesson.